Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Just
evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Yeah, how are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great, and yeah, nice to connect with you, ma'am. Let's introduce yourself, ma'am. Is this your first video or like first recording and conversation video?
Yes, today I'm first time
Okay.
doing this type of thing, recording. So, like first of all, I would like to thank you for joining me and nice to see you about myself. My name is Mamta Kumar. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. Along with I earned a B.Ed degree and I qualified CTET degree also. After then, like I decided I should go for learning English. So now I am learning English and as well as I am running YouTube channel also. So that is name Mamta's Mighty. And in my free time, I like to spend time with the family and playing carom, badminton. That's it, all about me.
Yeah, great, ma'am. Great. Yeah. Yeah, shall I introduce myself as well? Like, is this
Yes,
your first time? Yeah.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Manisha Chaudhary, and I am from Bihar, but nowadays I'm staying in Prayagraj. And I have completed my graduation with botany honors. Later that, I did my MBA, and it is in HR specialization. And currently, I am working as an HR professional. This regarding my this is regarding my job, and along with my job I am also very passionate to learn this English language, so I'm working on it nowadays. This is all
Okay.
about me.
So you are doing job along with you are running YouTube channel.
Yes, ma'am. I have started this YouTube channel just a while ago, or like you can say, past 2 or 3 months. So I have started it, and because why I have started it, I'm not getting that much time to make a video and learn, focus on this English language. So if I have to upload something, so then I can do the like give the time in it. Like I have like I will think I have to upload something for the learners, so then I can also give the time in it. So
Okay.
that's why I have started. Yes.
So, like, how many videos did you upload till now?
Ma'am, it's somewhere around 70 videos, I can say. Yeah.
Okay,
In
or
the starting, no, it's not related to totally conversation. In starting, I was just uploading my content, whatever I have read in previously. So I just explaining them in a notebook, and without showing my face in a camera, I just uploaded it. After that, I thought that it will not work. I have to be focused for, so I will have to come on the camera as well. Yeah, so.
okay, okay, it's nice. Like before, I also used to do this type of thing. I used to upload related to English content. It was sentences, vocab, grammatical part. I used to upload, but like after then, I thought like it is not fruitful for me. So I decided I should go for conversation, and I started. So I didn't upload that much videos. Only 4 5 video I uploaded related to conversation.
Okay, so you have done your five conversation video, or is it related to something else?
Yeah, conversation video. I have completed five
Okay,
to six. And
okay,
another
okay,
all are different type of videos, so all they are
okay.
related to English but they are not related to English conversation.
Okay, so you haven't do the conversation. Like I'm asking, this is your first time conversation, or like you have done with other YouTubers as well?
Yeah, I have done another YouTuber also, but like today I am recording myself. Before they used to do record my video.
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, so ma'am, when did you start your YouTube channel? Is it a
Around
week ago or?
it may be 6 months, but I was not consistent. Sometime I used to upload video, sometime I didn't upload any single video. So I was not consistent. After then I got to know like if I will not be consistent, so it is not good for me. So I should be
Right.
consistent and I should work on my channel. Otherwise, like I think it is not necessary. Like if you are uploading
And
minimum of day after, then you are uploading any video 15 to 20 days. So it is not good. So after then I decided I should maintain my consistency and I should work on this.
right, yeah, it will not good for your YouTube as well, and for your communication as well. Like if you
Yeah.
will get disconnect with your this conversation, then you will lose your fluency.
Okay, okay, Manisa. I want to ask you, like, I think you told me, like, I completed my master degree from botany,
No, no, I have completed my graduation. Masters is in MBA.
MBA. Okay, okay.
Yes.
So now you are doing job. So are you happy with
Yes.
your job? Are you managing
Sorry,
everything?
pardon,
I'm asking you,
sorry.
are you managing everything? Like you are going outside, you are doing job, and along with you are running YouTube channel.
Ma'am, the most important thing is I'm working in a as a work from home, so
Okay.
that's the best part. Yes, so yeah, that's why I'm getting the time to make a video and make a content as well.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking like it may be today it's holiday and you are available. When I was
Mm,
messaging you, so that time you were saying me like I am available. So that then I thought like it may
uh,
be today it was holiday for you. So then you are free. Mhm. Okay, you are doing work
and,
from home, so it is good for you.
right. So like it's reducing the traveling part as well.
Yeah, traveling and you are like take out time for yourself shortly. You can manage everything.
Yes, yes, right.
So, Manisha, what's your hobby?
Basically, just only love to listen to music only and do dance as well. So,
Okay.
my hobbies is to sing a song and listen to music. And sometimes, whenever I feel bored or free, I used to dance. Yes,
Okay.
just watch, yeah, just watch
So,
some steps on
so which
yes
type of
YouTube
dance
and
do you like?
not like classical dance, just a normal Bollywood song.
Enjoying purpose you do.
Yes, yes. And ma'am,
I
what's
also
your hobby?
like sometimes it's happened with me. Like I don't like exercise because I do exercise, so I started feeling lethargic. This type of thing. So I it may be like our video is stucking.
Yes, in between, it's like there is some network issue, I
It
think.
may
Yes.
be network issue. Okay. I think it
Yes,
may be
yes.
my side network issue. Okay, so I was saying you like you like to do dance. So I also like dance. Whenever I got free time and I'm not feeling well, so that time I try to do dance because
Oh,
I
wow.
don't know any specific, but enjoying purpose and whenever I feel I want to feel fresh myself and I am not like I want to do any exercise. That time I try to do because dancing also it is indirectly exercise part, so I do this type of thing also.
Right. Okay, and which type of you are preferring the song, classical or it's
No, it is
non-classical?
not classical. It's related to my culture.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, ma'am, where are you from? You mentioned.
Yeah, I'm from Rajasthan.
Okay. So in Rajasthan, the which one is a classical? I think they have this. What can I say? They are just putting some pot on
Uh,
the head. What we are.
Our side it's going on Marwadi song and
Okay.
like Rajasthani song, but like we like the most Marwadi song because we can
Okay.
enjoy on that song because they are more energetic songs. And if
Okay.
we want to go for Rajasthani songs, so they are very little bit slow,
Okay.
but also we like. Okay, so Manisha,
So
okay, okay. Would you like? Okay, you can ask me what
yeah.
I'm asking.
Ma'am, I'm asking, what do we have? Like, what should we discuss today? Like general question and answer, or should we do some fun classes? Like I just before coming on this session, I just thought what should we discuss today. So I got two fun game. So if you want to continue that, then I will do that. Otherwise, we will do the conversation only. Like
Okay, I don't have any idea which type of game you want to play with me. But if you want, so
no, no,
I can. Mhm.
it's totally related to our English. Yes.
Okay, then you can ask.
Okay.
I will
Yeah.
try. I'm
So,
waiting.
ma'am, it's a fun game. Like, I'm just explaining the game with the. Firstly, I'm explaining the game. So it is. I will give you the two option. Okay, and you have to choose one. And you also have to explain why are you choosing that one only. So only just need to explain in 2 3 lines. So I think it will boost our like English language. So we will if we will try to make a sentences, so it will be good for us, right? So yeah. So here the game is like I'm giving you the two thing like which one would you prefer, tea or coffee?
Okay, tea and coffee. Tea.
Yes, tea.
Because
And you have would you yes.
yeah, every time our house, we prepare tea. Whenever any guest is coming our house, so we prepare tea. So most of the time, I think 3 4 times we prepare tea, and I like tea the most. Rarely we prepare coffee, like someone is saying to us like we don't like tea. That time we prepare, but I can't say like I don't like coffee also. I can manage with the coffee. Both.
Okay,
But
great.
if you want to ask one, so I prefer tea.
Okay, great. Yeah. So you replied very well, ma'am. Yeah. So yeah, the next thing is here we have. Would you like to use Instagram or YouTube?
Instagram.
Why? You have to mention the
It is little bit
reasons.
interesting reels on Instagram. So
Right.
sometimes it's happened with me. I whenever I am not feeling well, like I don't want to study anything. I'm feeling lethargic and I'm feeling boring. So that time, I started watching reel on YouTube. After some time, I realized myself it is not good. I should go for Instagram because little bit they are interesting. So I go for that.
Yeah. Yeah, the thing is, na, in YouTube, we have to search something according to our mood. We have to search this,
Yeah,
but on
instead of
Instagram,
yeah,
yeah, they will give you the real depends on your mood. Yeah, so
sometimes it's
and then
happen with us. Like we are feeling sad, so related to our mood, it comes reels on Instagram. So, suppose we are watching any reel related to comedy, so all reels it will come related to comedy. So it's happen on Instagram. I think Instagram understand our emotions sometimes.
right.
Hmm.
Yes. So yeah, this was the first fun game. And would you like to continue this, or should we move on the second one?
Okay, you can ask. It is good related to
Okay.
English
So
content.
yes, yeah. So yeah, I have to check it. I have prepared for this. I have to check my phone. Yeah, this is the thing. Like I will say some sentences. You can say it is a puzzle. Okay, so I will say the puzzle, and you have to identify which object it is or which animal it is. Okay.
I don't have any idea related to this game.
No, no, I'm going to explain. I'm going to say the sentence.
Mhm.
You have to, yeah, you have to, like, think
I have to.
about. Uh, yes. Okay, so it is a very big animal. Okay, and it has a long trunk, and it loves water.
Elephant?
I think you will guess. Yes,
Elephant?
yes, elephant, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now,
Where did you get this type of question? ChatGPT?
sorry, sorry.
I'm asking you, where did you get from this type of question? From ChatGPT and
Yes, yes, most of the time I'm following the Chat GPT. Chat GPT is, I can say, my soulmate. Whenever I want to say anything or ask anything,
Yeah,
like a silly question as well, I'm asking to the chat GPT.
yeah, I also sometimes try to speak with the ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps me a lot whenever I'm stucking while speaking. So I talk to ChatGPT. Please correct me where I'm making mistake. So nowadays it is
Right.
for us.
Yeah, but the thing is, na chat GPT, every time if you will say, even right sentence, even then they will, it will find a mistake on your right sentence. This is the negative point I can say in the chat GPT.
Okay,
Yeah.
so like
Yeah. So now it's
okay, I was asking you
now
like
you.
we are following four rules: reading, writing, speaking, listening. So which part do you like the most?
Mostly I love the listening part and speaking part only. Reading and writing is feeling me like I'm getting bored in reading and writing.
Yeah, it's happen. It's happened with me also. Like sometimes, like I am energetic, like I have energy in morning time. I like to read and write, but otherwise, like I didn't do morning time reading and writing part. So all day I will not do anything. Like only I will listen whenever I am free. I am feeling free myself. So then I will listen, and sometimes I try to speak.
Okay, yeah. So you are focusing on listening, mostly on listening or speaking, right?
Yeah, more than like I prefer listening after any speaking.
Okay. So, ma'am, may I know you have started your this English journey from where, like it is 6 months or what
Means
exactly
how
it is?
long?
How?
Okay,
Yeah,
how long are you using
yeah,
my English? Okay,
yes.
so it's been like I thought about English language 1 year ago because before I didn't have any idea. But when I got to know like English is necessary, so I should work on my communication skills, so I started. But I was not consistent. Sometime I used to talk like 2 days, 3 days I talked. After then I was not talking. So it was I was doing this type of thing. After then, like I decided I should be consistent. Then I can gain like fastly. Otherwise, it will take time. So it is not good. Like if we are taking too much time to learn this language. So around it's been 20 to 30 days, it may be. So I was consistent. I was reading, writing, listening, and speaking every part I was doing. But in between, like it's been around 10 days, I was under the weather. I was not able to take sessions. So now my consistency it is going decreased. But yeah, like it's been 4 5 days I didn't take any session, and I was not recorded any session. So then I decided today I should try.
Yes. Okay. So yeah, now you are a consistent, right?
Yeah, consistency is necessary, and if we are running YouTube channel, so there is also necessary.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now I'm not reading and writing, only speaking and listening. I'm doing.
Yeah, it will also work. It will also work, but will we should try to read at least one page daily,
Yeah, at
and
least, but we can't read because reading
yeah,
part little bit monotonous for us. We have to
right.
motivate ourselves. You have to read, then we can do. Otherwise, reading part it is not cup of tea.
Yes, I can also resonate it with you. I'm also doing the same thing. I'm not able to, like, I'm also not getting the time to read as well. So yeah, I'm just focusing on listening and speaking as well.
Mhm. Yeah, mostly people prefer to listening and speaking. But if we
Yes.
are going like reading and writing parts, a little bit we can get fast. Like we
Yes.
will
Yes.
read, so we will can correct our sentences. We can vocab different
Right.
different type of vocab. Like first time, second time, it will feel monotonous. After then, like we got habitual. But we have
Yes.
consistency. Like we are reading 5 days, 10 days. After then, like it's happened with me. I'm going outside. After then, like my consistency automatically skip. I forgot. Like I was reading before.
Yes, it happens. Yes.
So like nowadays, like how are you like enjoying? Because now summer season is going on.
Yeah, so ma'am, I can say like there is no any. It not matters. Is it a summer season or winter season? Because I have done. I'm not in a schooling, so there is no. Even I'm not remembered. Is it a summer vacation or winter vacation? Yes. So
Like if we are married, so we are going our parental house and we are enjoying with our family. Sometime like we try to go outside. So that's why I thought like it may be you are doing like
yeah.
you are enjoying nowadays mango, watermelon. So
Yes. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah. So on weekend we are just enjoying and going outside. So this is the enjoying part only. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, ma'am, do you want to continue this session or more, or like shall we end this session right now?
Yeah, I have remaining like 9 minutes. So like I don't have any idea because first time I'm recording. So if you want to like wind up the session, so you can do. Because I don't have any
Yeah.
question for you, and I didn't think because I was not taking session from. I told you like for around 5 to 6 days. So that's why I didn't have any idea because consistency is not going on. So that's why.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, ma'am. So, yeah, it was a very nice conversation with you, and we'll try
And
to
yeah.
connect again. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Manisha, to join
Yeah.
me.
Thank you so. Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Take care.